Are you dreaming of a turnkey townhome that's less than 10 minutes from the powder white sands of Barefoot Beach? I'm Paul LeoGrande with Real Broker, and today I'm taking you on an exclusive walkthrough of 27771 Hacienda East Blvd, Unit 223A, in the heart of Bonita Springs. This channel focuses on everything to do with buying, selling, investing, and living here in beautiful Southwest Florida. I would love to partner with you on your real estate journey, so give me a call or text anytime, 239-266-9012 to chat. All right, let's jump in. This rarely offered two-story end unit sits inside the gated oasis of Hacienda Village, a boutique community of just 192 residents, where life feels like an everyday vacation. As we tour, keep in mind the resort-style amenities. Imagine starting your mornings with a match on the tennis or the pickleball courts, cooling off in the palm-lined community pool, or joining neighbors for a round of bocce or shuffleboard, or maybe a book in the on-site library. Also, keep in mind the ease and convenience that Hacienda Village brings. Covered parking, extra storage, underground utilities to keep you safe during the stormy season, and super low HOA fees mean you spend less time worrying and more time living. Also, remember the location perks. Step outside the gates and you're minutes from Bonita's charming downtown cafes, the brand new public library, and of course, that postcard perfect coastline. Inside, you'll love the open main level, 2 spacious ensuite bedrooms upstairs, and a private screened in lanai with peaceful landscaped views. Ready to see why this could be your slice of paradise or your next winning investment? Let's head on inside. Well, there you have it. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 27771 Hacienda East Blvd, unit number 223A. Between the unbeatable amenities of Hacienda Village and those quick trips to Barefoot Beach, opportunities like this don't last long. If you'd like the full listing packet, a private showing, or just to chat about Southwest Florida real estate, call or text me anytime at 239-266-9012. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button or drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.